This is ridiculous. So ridiculous. Hey nail babes, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name's Jenna, and yes, it's Jenia, spelled with an I. Welcome to another nail video, where this week we're gonna talk about something that I'm actually pretty excited about. Like, anywho babe, let's talk about a nail product that I just kind of stumbled across on my Instagram feed. We're gonna try it, we're gonna review it, we're gonna talk about it, we're gonna dive right in. So let's get started. Those of you who may or may not have seen this product, I believe it is called Ohora. If I am pronouncing that wrong, I am terribly sorry, and just prepare yourself, because if that is the case, I'm gonna be pronouncing it wrong the entire video. So we're just gonna hope and pray that it's pronounced Ohora. Let me just put a quick disclaimer out there. I bought this back at the end of 2019. It's been a minute, and I just totally forgot about this nail video. But you know what? Better late than never. Am I right? Am I right? Back in the day when I first ordered this, I had to buy it directly from the Ohora website. So it did take a little bit of time to get to me because it did ship internationally when I ordered it, and it came from way over across the sea. What is Ohora? What is this nail system? What's so great about it? Let's get into it. Okay, it's like press-ons, but it's like semi-cured gel, so they're flexible, kind of like a sticker, and you place them on your nails and you flash cure it, because again, they're semi-cured, they're not fully cured, that's why they're still flexible like a sticker. You flash cure it, bada bing, bada boom, you got a basically gel manicure, and it's supposed to last you as long as a regular gel manicure would. And it's just like fascinating to think like this could be revolutionary if it works, right? Like, what? This is crazy. Second thing, the packaging, so cute. It's just so simple, so sleek, like, it's great. So you open it and it comes in a black box. Now the reason it's black is because, remember, it's semi-cured. So whatever you don't use, if you choose to reuse it again, you want to keep it in this box, because any UV light of any sort, LED light, will cure it and harden it, and you don't want that to happen. Inside you get 2 sheets of the semi-cured gel, and you get lots of different sizes. Super easy to basically understand. Like, if you've done press-on nails before, basically the same thing. You gotta just like measure them to your nail bed and then put them on, you know? We'll go over the steps in a minute. And then it also comes with a nail wipe, an alcohol nail wipe, a nail file, and a little orange wood sticks. Everything that you basically need to do your basic manicure is right here. You do get this little booklet on how to apply them, and it comes in all different kinds of languages, so wherever you are in the world, it should work for you. No excuses, okay? Everybody deserves beautiful nails. But yeah, the instructions are super easy. They have pictures, instructions, they're numbered. It's just really easy to understand, which is really awesome. So first things first, it doesn't say to do this, but I would just recommend to do it. If you want to give yourself a full-on manicure, do so, but definitely cut and then file to shape your natural nails to whatever shape you're going to want for this manicure. That's something you should do that's not included in the instructions pamphlet. Okay, so do that ahead of time, get that out of the way. And I do recommend buffing your nails, because that rough layer is going to help this semi-cured gel stick. So I would buff your nail if you have some sort of buffer, to just lightly buff your nail. Step 1 is you want to clean any oil and moisture off of your natural nail. So I just used that little alcohol wipe that they provided. Perfect, it's great, not much to say about that, okay? Number 2 is you're gonna pick your sizes. So I did 1 finger at a time. That's just what basically worked for me. You do whatever works best for you. This was my first time using this product, so I just did 1 finger. I measured it up against the semi-cured gel while it was on the little plastic sheet, and once I found one that was like semi-suitable size for my natural nail bed, I just peeled it off, and you just apply the semi-cured gel to your natural nail. It's as simple as that. You literally put it as close to your cuticle as you can without putting it on your cuticle, just like you would gel polish or any other polish, and then just press it so that way it's fully sticking to your natural nail plate. And then what you want to do is cut off that excess hanging semi-cured gel, and then you're gonna file it. So you'll feel that like it's very thick. If you think about a gel manicure, it's a base coat, 2 coats of color, potentially other gel layers plus a top coat. So it's kind of a lot all going on to this one nail, which is the same thing. So this is a thick layer of semi-cured gel, and it's just gonna go on top of your nail just like a gel manicure would. Pretty revolutionary if you ask me. Like, I wish I came up with this, honestly. But anyways, after you cut, after you file, then you're going to flash cure. The pamphlet only says to cure 1 to 3 times. I don't know what that means, like how long, like if you don't have the little Ohora lamp itself. I think it comes out to like 45 seconds per time, so I would just do 45 seconds 1 to 3 times. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of what I was counting as it was curing. After that, you cure it, boom, it's literally done. Like it sounds, oh my god, my backdrop just fell. Okay, I'm back. That was a little bit scary. Take 2. Basically, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. It's super easy. Literally like 1, 2, 3, you're done. I cannot express enough how awesome this is. Like it's seriously just so stinking cool. How long does it last? I know you guys are wondering. Now let me tell you, I chose to wear this for 2 weeks because 2 weeks is about the average a gel mani goes for, like the average working person who isn't super careful with their gel manicure, you know what I mean? 2 weeks, it looked awesome. Let me just say, there was a chip or 2, but it wasn't a big deal at all. Like you didn't even notice because of the design of the nail. It was like kind of clear on those nails, so it was like totally fine. One thing I will say is when I was washing my hair, my hair would sometimes want to snag underneath because that gel layer is thicker. That's it. So I was noticing my hair was trying to get stuck under there, but it wasn't causing any lifting or anything, so it wasn't like a big deal at all. So yeah, for 2 weeks it lasted pretty great. For the price, it's pretty amazing to get this. I mean, you're just getting a gel manicure at home. Obviously the gel cutouts aren't going to be exactly like all of your nails. I mean, if they are, good for you, great. But obviously I did have some natural nail peeking through on the sides, but again, it wasn't a big deal. I mean, for the price, it's amazing. Seriously, nail babe approved. It is so worth it. Like it's so cool. If you just are not one to go to the salon, especially with a pandemic right now, definitely give this a try. Buy it, try it, love it. This is not sponsored. It's just a really good product, guys. Like it's kind of weird how awesome it is because like the idea of it seems better than it would actually be, but it is actually good. Call me crazy. Now, how do we remove these bad boys? I was kind of confused. There's nothing in the pamphlet that says how to remove it. I was kind of like, how is this gonna work? Like, I really don't want to peel it off. But I looked it up. They did have videos online, so that was easy. Basically, you take that little orange wood stick that your little doodad comes with, and on their video, they had some like, I want to say like alcohol or acetone solution that you would dip the orange wood stick in and just start like rubbing between the cured gel and your natural nail to like lift it up. But I didn't buy that because I didn't know about it, so I just used acetone and it worked great. It did leave a sticky layer on my natural nail, but I just buffed it away. But let me tell you, there was zero, nada, zilch damage done to my nails. Really awesome there. It didn't hurt at all to take them off. It was seriously just super easy. 1, 2, 3, like the quickest way to remove any gel manicure I've ever had in my life. Crazy. Obviously, I can't say anything more but good things about this product. I do think you should try it. And because I love this product so much, I did get an extra one. And to one of you lucky babes, I'm gonna mail it to. So I ordered a kit in the collection Celestin, I think it's called. It's kind of a navy blue finger set. I really like it. We're going into fall. We're going into darker colors. All you have to do to enter this little mini giveaway of mine is leave a comment down below and start your comment with "Hey babe," and then say something good about your year 2020, because that might be hard for some of you. myself included. We're all about spreading love and positivity on this channel, in this world, one step at a time, one comment at a time. So tell me something good about 2020, okay? Tell me something good. I will announce a giveaway winner in a later video, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for this week's video. This week's video shout out goes to Mayella. Shout out to you, babe. Thank you so much for watching wherever you are. And if you like this video, you already know the drill. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, that way you never miss when I upload a brand new video, because we got some good ones coming. It's hot. I gotta get out of here. I'm dying. These lights, too much for me right now. But anyways, I love you guys. Try Ohora. Everything will be linked down below. No, it's not sponsored. I just genuinely like this product and want to share it with you guys. Yeah, that's it for this week's video. So I will see you guys all for next week on next week's video. So long and farewell, my babes. Until next time. Bye.